Hey you guys, today I want to unbox this lumber I purchased from Bell Forest Products. I purchased lumber from them many times before and I've always been very pleased. I did open with you guys their cutoffs a box and that was, not for me. I was not very pleased with it because I don't do a lot of wood turning, so I had no use for dowels and small pieces. But I do purchase their lumber often, and I have this here is 10 boards of flaming birch, and I want to open it with you guys, see what it looks like. Now I already have some flaming birch in the shop, but I need some more, so that's why I purchased this. Their packages is always really good packaged. Flaming birch. This is my first plank. Really nice grain. So that is one plank that I got. Like I said, I got 10 board feet. And when you go to their website, you can specify if you want a specific width or length. I did not specify, so this is what they sent me. Here's another beautiful one. Look at the waviness on this one. Is flaming the same as curly? To me, it looks the same, curly wood versus flaming wood. But very nice. So that is 3 boards. There's another really nice one. And then the last one over here is the biggest one, I think, and it has the most grain pattern on it. Man, this thing is just fantastic. It's like a piece of art. I hope you can see it in camera. It's just beautiful. And that is it. 10 board feet of flaming birch. Now we'll have to figure out what kind of project we're gonna do with it.